I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blue raspberry sorbet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of frozen blue raspberries, which are essential for that beautiful color and intense fruit flavor. Next, grab 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten things up just right. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice for a zesty kick, and 1/2 cup of water to help blend everything smoothly. These few items are all you need for a delightful treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your 2 cups of frozen blue raspberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of water into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed. You'll want to blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy, with no visible fruit pieces. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender a few times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Once your mixture is beautifully blended, it's time to freeze it to perfection. Pour the smooth blue raspberry liquid into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A shallow container helps it freeze more evenly. Cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. For an even creamier texture, stir the sorbet every 60 minutes during the first 2 hours of freezing. Finally, the best part: serving and enjoying your homemade blue raspberry sorbet. Before scooping, let the sorbet sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Use an ice cream scoop to create beautiful, round portions. Serve it in chilled bowls or cones. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprig of fresh mint or a few whole blue raspberries. Enjoy this refreshing, vibrant, and easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.